Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm back with row 3 of the lace pattern on the Twinset Tank. And the main thing I want to mention about, two main things about row 3 and all subsequent rows. If you are doing a row where there are brackets, you do whatever's in the brackets, it will tell you how many times. In this row, it is 2 times. So you will see a set of brackets, and it will tell you to do something. It will, after the brackets, it will say twice. That means you repeat that 2 times. If you do not, your stitch count will be all off. In terms of checking your stitch counts going forward, you cannot do this on the first row. The first row is the most important, and it's the hardest because there's no way to check it against anything else. But going forward, you can, if you know how to read your knitting, which I strongly advise learning to read your knitting, and that means looking at stitches and trying to tell what's going on. If you're a real novice, you don't even know what a knit and a purl looks like. But as you get more experience, you will be able to pick that up. If you can see, this is the end of the row, the past slip stitch over, and it is going at an angle to the left. This is a continuation of the PSSO from row 1. This is knit 2 together. It's at an angle leaning towards the right, and that's also a continuation of the knit 2 together in row 1. This row, just to mention, starts right into the repeat, so there's nothing in the front. All the extra stitches are in the back, so you don't have to worry about, oh, those are some stitches that I don't have to repeat, or I shouldn't repeat. If you notice, these are next to each other. They're leaning towards each other, and it creates kind of a triangle, and you should see that in every section going forward. If it doesn't look like that, you've done something wrong, and you should stop and take it out or come in and we will help you with that. So there's nothing different about this row than the last row in terms of the stitches, but I just wanted to mention those 2 things about the brackets and how to read your knitting. Hope this was helpful. See you next time.